Et bonjour à tous, on se retrouve pour la suite de l'histoire de Red Dead. Précédent épisode, on avait secouru John, on avait, on avait aussi... Ah oui, c'est lui. On avait capturé lui et on se préparait à voir pour sécuriser, pour sécuriser un train de marchandises. Et j'ai vu qu'on avait une nouvelle entrée dans le journal, ce qu'on va pouvoir lire tout de suite. Ici, c'était... Oui, c'était ça. On a capturé un de ces gars. Il n'a pas encore parlé, mais il résistera pas longtemps face au froid et face à Bill. Les dernières semaines ont été mauvaises, mais on est à peu près en vie. Dutch est égal à lui-même. Il fait ses plans et essaie de voir comment on peut survivre. Et Dutch étant ce qu'il est, ses plans impliquent des braquages et des rêves. Oui. Donc le prochain, c'est bien sûr le braquage du train.
We're okay. We have a few cans of food and a rabbit. For what, 10, 12 people? When I was in the Navy...
I do not wish to hear about what you got up to in the Navy, Mr. Pearson.
We were stranded at sea for 50 days.
And you unfortunately survived.
When we ran away from Blackwater, I wasn't able to get supplies in.
Well, when government agents are hunting you down, sometimes shopping trips need to be cut short. We'll survive. We always have. If needs be, we can eat you. You're the fattest.
I sent Lenny and Bill hunting, and they found nothing.
Well, Lenny's more into book learning than hunting. Bill's a fool. Unless those mountains are full of game that want to read, ain't no wonder they found
Enough of this. We'll go find something. Come on, Arthur.
Wait a second. Hold on. Here. You're gonna need something to eat out there.
Assorted, salted offal. Starving will be preferable.
Come on, let's go.
You can't go hunting. Look at your hand.
I can't stay here listening to you two. Look, if there's game in those hills, I'll find it. And you can kill it.
You need to rest, Charles.
You think this is rest? Come along. Here, you take this. I can't use it, and you'll have to.
Oh, you're joking.
Use a gun, and we'll scare off every animal for miles around. You're never too old to learn, I imagine. All right.
Cool, on va enfin pouvoir chasser. Et notamment dépecer, c'est ça qui m'intéressait le plus, c'était dépecer bien entendu. Ok, on peut pas encore sélectionner.
How are you holding up, Charles?
I'm okay, apart from this hand. Stupid mistake.
Still bad?
It'll be fine in a day or two. I just can't pull a bow right now.
I sure hope I can. Never really got the hang of it.
You'll be fine.
So, you reckon we're gonna find something to kill that ain't no Driscoll?
Huh. There's meat up here for sure. Pearson doesn't know what he's talking about. Now the weather's eased off a bit, they'll be needing to feed. We'll head up this way, find some higher ground.
Whew. Been a wild few days, all right. That ride north from Blackwater, getting stuck in the storm, going out for John, that thing with the O'Driscolls.
You've had a lot put on you. I wish I could have done more.
I didn't mean it like that, just a lot to think back on.
I still don't really know what happened on that boat.
Me neither. Well, Javier told me a bit, but it sure weren't good.
Ça intéresse beaucoup de gens. Parce que personne dit oh ça s'est mal passé, mais personne nous dit à chaque fois qu'est-ce qui s'est passé. Alors, il y a eu une embuscade entre guillemets. pense que c'est ça le plus probable, c'est que de ce que j'ai compris, il y a eu une embuscade et les autorités étaient au courant. C'était un piège peut-être? On l'a fait dans le 1, on a fait plusieurs fois des pièges, que ce soit pour les Mexicains ou pour autres, donc peut-être que c'est le même cas ici, ils ont
See some of
fait
the ground uncovered here.
le cas pour la bande de Dutch.
Oh, come on. Let's try this way. Keep your eyes peeled for movement. The wind's died down too.
That's good.
No wind at all is bad, but if it's too strong, it won't move. Now shh. Stay quiet. Easy. Hey, stop here a second. I see something.
Careful.
There's deer been here. Recently.
How can you tell?
How can you not? Let's walk it from here. You're gonna need the bow. Don't leave it on your horse. A gun will scare everything around. Keep down. Move quietly and slowly.
Prends le chemin ou c'est moi qui avance? C'est moi qui avance, ok, je suis les traces.
See the tracks?
I think so. Maybe not.
Focus.
Puis c'est l'œil. Ah. Ok. Donc à ça que ça sert. J'avoue, j'avais déjà perdu les traces, hein. Et ben on va chasser. J'aime bien plus qu'une biche. Ok, elles vont par là. Ah, ça me fait changer de munitions. Pourquoi ça me fait changer? Ah, parce que je me trompe de... C'est ça, je me trompe de bouton. Ouais, là-bas, on la voit. On l'a vu, on l'a vu.
Wait, look. There they are. Quick, get that bow out, Arthur. Try to hit him in the neck or head. Quick and clean. Get good tension on the string before releasing. Just don't overdo it. Now, Arthur. Nice. See if you can get another one.
Est-ce qu'on en voit une autre? Faites attirer l'attention en visant, il y a une section dans l'option d'appel. Ok. Il y a une autre trace que lui. Ah ouais, après ça continue là-bas, ok. Est-ce qu'on peut le dépecer, ce petit? Ou lui nous rendre notre flèche? Non, on peut pas le dépecer, dommage. Est-ce que c'est un animal là, ce qu'on voit ou... Ah, il est là-bas. Ok.
That didn't kill it. We should go finish it off. Watch yourself, Arthur, or we'll scare them all off.
Ah ouais, je sais que je vais faire tous les faire fuir, mais il a fui. Ah.
Poor animal's in pain. You should finish it with your knife.
tuer.
That's it. Whew, done.
Okay, that'll do it.
Parfait.
All we can carry. Okay.
Il y en a encore une petite biche là-bas. Voyons voir un peu l'encyclopédie. Ok, progression totale. La peau de biche peut être utilisée pour fabriquer des objets. Ok, c'est bien des trucs. Oh, il y a des. Il y a toutes ces pages. Oh la vache, d'accord. Oh. Encyclopédie, t'as les numéros, t'as les équipements, t'as des poissons aussi. T'as 6 bandes, t'as 63 armes, ok. Les cartes de paquet. Oh la vache, ah oui. T'as des choses, hein. Ok, c'est dans progression qu'on voit ça. Voilà, un rappel lorsqu'il vous entend. Oui, ça c'est normal. Ah, le renforcer le lien augmente la distance. Ah, c'est cool de savoir ça. Donc ça sert à quelque chose de renforcer le lien.
Are you gonna put that on your horse?
Ah, j'attends que mon cheval arrive. Chargé.
Good haul, boy. Ready to head back when you are.
Come on, man. Let's head back.
On ramène 2 biches, c'est bien là. Personne récupère des cartes.
Nice work, Arthur. Should be enough meat here to keep us all fed for a
Ah,
few
ok.
days.
You found him.
I knew you'd be okay with that bow.
It's easier when they ain't shooting back.
We've seen enough of that.
Considering how things were looking a couple of days back, well, maybe our luck's finally on the turn.
Seems to me we should be putting our effort into getting off this mountain now.
Soon. People are still weak, and well, you've seen how snowed in those wagons are. They ain't going nowhere until we get some more thaw.
You're probably right. And even if we do get off here, what then? We'll still have a big price on our heads.
This is a big country. We'll find somewhere to lie low. Dutch and Jose will have a plan.
J'ai l'impression que Dutch et Osea, c'est un peu les têtes.
Notice how Pearson's had a bottle
La
in his
tête
hand
pensante.
ever since we fled Blackwater?
Hey,
We give the camp cook 5 minutes to grab the essentials and go, and he doesn't even bring a crumb of food.
good that we caught more than one. We've only been up here a few days and have already picked up 2 more mouths to feed.
One more. We ain't feeding the O'Driscoll a damn thing. Except maybe that can of salted offal Pearson was kind enough to give us.
The girl, she has a wild look in her eye.
Of course. She lost her husband, her home, everything she had.
So what do we do with her?
Well, once we get out of here and we're back on our feet, we'll see. She might have family somewhere.
Who knows? Maybe she'll deal with the O'Driscoll for us.
Well, I know who my money's on in that fight. He's weak, but that makes him much more useful. Maybe we can get to them before they get to us.
What is it with the O'Driscolls?
You ain't dealt with them? I suppose. Hell, we ain't run into them much the last 6 months. I guess because they've been over this way.
Yeah, I've heard a lot of talk about them.
Well, we've been scrapping over scores with them for years.
Watch out. Bear up ahead. Let's see if we can find another way around.
Moi, je veux bien le tuer, hein.
He must be hungry. Stay well back. Spring storms like this are the worst for animals that sleep all winter. That's a bad idea. Have you seen the size of it?
Oh, il réagit à comment quand je l'ai visé, c'est incroyable. D'accord, il nous a pas repéré. On est sur des chevaux avec deux cadavres.
Cut up here, off the trail.
L'ours avait pris votre cheval. Ouais, maintenez leur G, ok. Ah, on peut... Ah putain, les touches à maintenir.
We ain't ever talked that much, you and me. How long you been with us now? 5, 6 months?
Something like that?
Bet you didn't expect this.
What?
Any of this. Blackwater mess. Being up here?
Sooner or later, a job's gonna go wrong. Nature of life.
I just thought you might have moved on by now.
You want me to move on?
No. No, not at all. I just know you could run it alone, no problem.
I did that for a long time. I'm done with it. Always wondering if someone's gonna kill you in your sleep.
I still wonder that most nights.
I reckon you're okay. This suits me. Sure, I could fall in with another gang, but Dutch... You know, Dutch is different.
Oh, yes. Dutch is certainly different.
He treats me fair. Most of you do. And for a fellow with a black father and an Indian mother, that ain't normally the case.
Well, we need you now. Or never.
Good. And how long have you been with these boys? Why ain't you run off?
Me? Oh, 20 years, something like that. Since I was a boy.
20 years?
Yeah. He taught me to read. John, too. Taught me a few other things, him and Hosea.
I'm sure.
Dutch saved me. Saved most of us. That's why we need to stick by him through this. He always sees us right.
Yeah. How's that new horse?
He's all right. He'll do for now. I appreciate you letting me take Taima the other night.
She's a strong one. It's been as hard on the horses as on the rest of us. I don't know what Dutch would do if something happened to the Count.
Same with Bill and Brown Jack. He's a drunk, miserable bastard, but he loves that horse.
I hope they all make it.
I tried to ride the Count once. Hucked me faster than a bull. Won't take nobody but him.
I'm gonna hitch Taima over here.
Brought some food back, boys! Come on, let's get these over to Pearson. Thank you for showing me how to use the bow properly.
I only showed you a little. Takes a lifetime of practice to master.
Eh, t'as du travail, Pearson.
Just drop it down in here.
Ah, y a l'oncle.
What a surprise. Find a camp rat loitering around in the kitchen.
Is that any way to greet an old friend? I feel like we haven't spoken for days.
I do my utmost to avoid you.
He loves me, really. It's his sad way of showing affection.
No, it isn't. Now shoot, get lost.
Well, see you gents later.
See, you got on just fine.
Charles is a wonder.
Have a drink, boys. You earned it.
Jesus, what is that?
Navy rum, sir. It's the only thing. The only thing. Keeps you sane, it does.
Yes, seems to have done a treat on you. You go rest that hand, Charles.
You'll be fine in a few days.
You mind helping me with the skinning, Mr. Morgan? It's easier if we do it together.
Do I get to skin you?
You're always one with the jokes, aren't you? Come on.
This really isn't a job for a man with a burnt hand. I'll see you both later.
You skin that one that you dumped on the floor there.
On peut enfin dépecer, c'est pas trop tôt. Ok.
Not too bad, Mr. Morgan. Yeah. They always said you were a butcher. You know, you could trade these or sell these in pretty much any town if you're looking to make a legitimate bit of money, of course.
Right now, I'm just looking to get off this mountain alive.
Well, if you catch anything else, you bring it to me.
Sure.
Thank you, Mr. Morgan. Heck, Arthur Morgan's first decent bit of hunting after all these years.
Yeah. Well, we're on the run now. Everyone's got to do their bit to survive. Just make a good stew. Folk need it. It's been a tough few days. It's been a bad few weeks, but Dutch being Dutch, he is busy making plans, and Dutch being Dutch, those plans involve robbery and dreams. Well, I thought you was reading him his last rites. Now I see you're introducing him to your other passion.
I'll mind you to show me some respect, Mr. Morgan.
Mind away, Reverend. You still here, then?
I owe you.
Yeah. And you'll pay me. But for the moment, just rest.
Arthur, I think it's time for the train.
Want me to come?
Of course I do, but look at you.
I was always ugly, Dutch. It's just a scratch.
Don't lie still, son. Hello, Abigail.
Dutch,
Jackie.
the boy wanted to see you, John.
He's seen me now. Or what's left of me. What about you?
Guess I was hoping to see a corpse.
Bide your time. You'll see plenty of them.
You're a rotten man, John Marston.
He is an idiot, Abigail. We all know it. Now, railway men. Bill, now you ride ahead and set the charge at the water tower just before the tunnel.
Ain't a problem. Why are we doing this? Weather's breaking, we could leave. I thought we was lying low.
Yeah, come on. What do you want from me, Hosea?
I just don't want any more folks to die, Dutch.
We're living, Hosea, we're living. Look at me. We're living, even you. But we need money. Everything we has in Blackwater. You fancy heading back there?
No. Listen, Dutch, I ain't trying to undermine you. I just want to stick to the plan, which was to lie low, then head back out west. Now, suddenly we're about to rob a train.
What choice have we got?
Leviticus Cornwall's no joke, Dutch.
Who is Leviticus Cornwall?
He's a big railway magnate, sugar dealer, oil man.
Well, how good for him. Sounds like he has more than enough to share.
Dutch!
Gentlemen, it is time to make something of ourselves. Get your horses ready. We have a train to rob. All right, we're moving out. Follow me. Okay, gentlemen, listen up, all of you. According to the information so kindly provided to us by the O'Driscolls, the train will be coming north from Big Valley. We're gonna pick it off after it crosses the border into the Grizzlies. There's a raised spot there that should give us good vantage. Charles, you'll keep lookout for any outriders. How's that hand, by the way?
I'll be fine.
Good. I'll take the driver and engineer, then run point. Lenny and Javier, you two take the front cars, deal with any guards. Arthur and Micah, you head straight for the back. That's what we're after. Mr. Cornwall's private car.
You and me, Morgan. Great. Have you got a problem with that?
Not if you keep your head for once.
You worry about yourself, huh?
Enough!
Ah, Micah, c'est le pire. Hein.
We're gonna need to move fast.
C'est le pire. Là.
Is everyone clear on what they're doing?
Yep.
Crystal.
Yes, boss.
Good. Now come on.
Parce que Bill et Javier, ils sont débiles, on les a vus dans le 1, mais ils respectent les autorités, ils respectent la seniorité, ils respectent Dutch, ils respectent Arthur, donc dans ce moment-là, ça va. Et ce Micah, il n'a absolument rien à faire. À tout moment, pour une piécette de plus, je pense qu'il pourrait nous trahir, et ça le dérangerait absolument pas. Parce qu'il est un problème, du coup. Autre info, je pensais que Osea était à peu près au même niveau que Dutch. Ça n'a pas l'air d'être le cas. Ça a plus l'air d'être la tête pensante pour le camp et tout ce qui va avec.
Out in the snow, finally.
Feels good, doesn't it? But we need to get this done fast now it's thawing, before anyone gets up here after us. Oh, look at you boys. See? This is what I call a crew. Micah Bell, Charles Smith. Ah! Micah Bell, Charles Smith, Arthur Morgan, Javier Escuela, and what about young Lenny here? Always the first man on his horse.
Just happy we're back at him, Dutch.
You sure you're ready for this, kid?
Of course I'm ready.
Just stay calm. Keep your eyes sharp. That goes for all of you. No mistakes. Not again.
So we do this, then we go back to Blackwater to collect.
How many times you gonna ask the same question, Micah?
That's a lot of damn money to leave sitting for too long.
It would be crazy to go back there now. The place will be swarming with Pinkertons.
We go back when I say we go back, and that's the end of it. There's the water tower. Hold up here on the ridge.
Whoa there.
Easy. Is Bill there?
Yeah.
You want to head down, see how he's getting on?
Okay.
Ok. Il a son autorité, au moins, c'est déjà ça. Il va avoir un braquage de train.
How you getting on?
Yeah. I'm okay.
You sure?
Of course.
Can I help a little?
All right. Go ahead and set up the detonator by those rocks over there.
Okay, sure.
Now just unspool the wire and then attach it to said detonator.
Très facile. C'est tout facile. On déroule le fil et on le relie au détonateur.
Okay, this is good.
All right. That should do it. You head back up to the others. I got it from here.
I have to say, I'm rather looking forward to this. Just be ready to move quick, and remember the plan. All of you, no mistakes. What's going on?
He says all fine.
We'll soon find out.
Everything okay? I think so. Okay, cover your faces. Train should be here any minute now.
Cool, on met vraiment un petit masque et tout, c'est pas mal.
Gentlemen, it's time. Good luck, all of you. You all know what to do.
Here we go. Shit! No! What? God!
Oh, you have got to be kidding me. Where did you find that moron? You said it was fine.
my
Come
fault.
on! You're pathetic. You know that?
Pourquoi on a quitté notre cheval? On n'a pas pu, on pouvait pas prendre le cheval et... Ah, ils veulent qu'on saute. Bien sûr qu'ils veulent qu'on saute.
Hey, down here! Help! Pull me up!
you. Now stop yelling. Oh,
Shit! Help!
yeah, you're okay. Now, let's go slow this thing down.
Where's Javier?
He fell. The others will get him.
You and me, big man.
Come on, we need to stop this train.
There's another guard up ahead. You want me to take him? Arthur, who's going? Okay, I'll just deal with it. Hey! God dang it, we being...
Let's get a shot on this.
Do not let them stop this train!
We moving up? Let's keep moving.
Bon. Voilà, merci.
All right?
Yeah, I'm good. What the hell was Bill doing? He had long enough to set that charge.
Well, I hooked up the wire, but we won't mention that.
We gotta hurry. We have to stop this train.
That's what we're doing, kid.
We have to stop this train. Should we move?
Oh, d'accord.
Come on, we need to stop this train.
There's another guard up ahead. You want me to take him? Arthur, who's going? Okay, I'll just deal with it.
Qui est le prochain? La voix un peu buggée.
Do not let them stop this train!
You all right?
Yeah, I'm good. What the hell was Bill doing? He had long enough to set that charge.
Well, I hooked up the wire, but we won't mention that.
What is wrong with you boys?
Happy now, you son of a...
How you doing there?
I'm okay.
La question c'est que fait Bill?
Stop this train soon. The other boys will never catch us.
I know, just stay calm.
Oh! Il faut spammer? Oui.
I got a clear shot.
Je le frappe, hein. Oh!
Going on. We have to stop this train.
Look out! Got more. Come off the train. Shit! okay?
I think so.
Good.
Damn, he's got an army. Who is this guy?
Doing good, kid. Where the hell are the others?
I don't know. Oh, shit. Look, they're coming out of that last car.
Gonna get out of this.
Oh, I know we are. Hey, there's the other boy. Watch it. Move him.
All right! Finish those sons of bitches!
Good shooting, kid.
I can see now why the O'Driscolls brought so many boys up here for this.
Arthur, get over here. You two all right?
Yes, let's get the money and go.
We got some fellas holed up in this last car.
Ah, shit.
What are you boys planning on doing in there? Listen to me. We don't want to kill
Avec tous les
any
morts
of
qu'ils ont déjà fait.
Any more of you. I give you my word, but trust me, we will.
I work for Leviticus Cornwall.
Come on, boys.
We got our orders.
Okay, you asked for it.
We ain't
5,
opening this door.
4, 3, 2, 1. Seems our friends have gone deaf. Wake them up a little. That's enough. Mr. Williamson, give Mr. Morgan and Mr. Smith some dynamite. You two boys go blow that door open. Now, don't matter too much to us, but you boys in there might want to take a step back.
Seems good enough.
Here we go.
Now light the fuse.
Unless you got a death wish, I'd step back, fellers.
On en profite pour le fouiller. Hein.
All right, come on. Just walk on out here. We don't want to kill you. We just want to rob your boss. Get on up there. Search that train.
Laisse-moi fouiller aussi. Nice.
Look at this place. It's like a palace.
Well, now I've seen everything. Oh, you two got the safe? I'll search the rest.
Oh, yes. Should be easy as cake. You're just gonna stand there, kid. Pour me some brandy, will ya? I'm parched.
Shut up. Me and Arthur did all the work.
Yeah, kid did good. Didn't see you rushing to jump on that train.
He's keen. I'll give you that. Okay, let's see if we can get this open. Come on. Come on. Get in there.
Now, this looks like something.
Un petit coffre. Nice.
Think I got him.
Nice.
Well, thank God. Come on.
Are you done in there?
Ouais, je sors. Donc, je peux examiner la lettre.
Just waiting on you, Arthur.
Ouais, je veux juste... Voilà, examiner.
let's hurry this along now.
Cher monsieur, nous avons toujours pas reçu le paiement de 2000 $. La première phase d'exploration de la réserve indienne, comme convenu dans le contrat signé. Des réceptions des fonds, nous procédons au second et troisième phase du projet. Nanani, nanana, ok.
What did you find?
These bonds. They worth anything?
Oh, sure. Bearer bonds. I think we can probably sell these pretty easily. Well done. Now, would you get rid of all of this?
The train?
Yeah, get it out of here.
What about them?
What do you think?
I don't know.
It's up to you. Kill them, leave them here, take them with you on the train. Just make sure they don't send no folk after us.
Okay.
See you back at camp. When you get back, we'll be moving on. The rest of you, let's ride!
Okay. Get on the train. Quick. All of you. Any bright ideas, I kill all three of you. So behave. Come on! Move!
We won't tell a soul, I swear!
Get a move on! If I hear so much as a footstep from this car, you'll end up like all your friends out here.
On va essayer d'éviter de les tuer quand même. Il y a plein de trucs que je pourrais... Je suis juste déçu par rapport au 1. La petite croix, il disparaissait. Là, les croix, il y en a tellement partout que... J'aimerais bien voir... On n'aura pas tout loot, hein, clairement, tous les cadavres, mais... C'est un peu d'argent. Même si c'est pas beaucoup. Ok, on y va.
For Lord's sake, put that book away and go help. Oh, Mary Beth.
So, we getting out of this hellhole?
We're gonna try. Weather seems stable.
And we just robbed the Leviticus Cornwall train.
We got money in our pockets. The worst is behind us, gentlemen. So the question is, where now?
I know this country a little. I told you, we should set up camp in Horseshoe Overlook near Valentine. We'll be able to hide out there no problem, as long as we keep our noses clean.
Well, then let's go. Clean noses and everything else. Arthur, you're in that one. Bring Hosea. I know you two like to talk about the good old days and what's gone wrong with old Dutch.
Ah, peut-être encore une musique qui va être strike. Ah, j'en profite. J'espère pour vous que Il ne sera pas mute.
Lenny! Micah, get over here!
Yes, boss.
You two ride up ahead, make sure there's no surprises. We've had enough of those.
Me with the boy?
Just go.
Come on, kid. You can buy me a whiskey.
On me dit de maintenir machin, mais c'est la touche pour les fouetter. Ouais, j'aimerais bien nous faire sortir de l'eau, mais... Ah.
Okay, let's take a look.
You all right back there? Does everything look all right?
Well, what's going on?
Ah, I broke the goddamn wheel.
All right, let's get it fixed.
You need help?
I reckon we can handle it. All right, Charles, you and me hold the thing up while you try and put the wheel back on, Arthur.
You still strong enough to hold up a wagon?
Shut up.
I'm just saying.
Well, say less. Pick the wheel up. Nearly there. There.
See? You ain't so useless after all.
Not quite.
What do you think?
If they wanted trouble, we wouldn't have seen them.
Poor bastards. We really screwed them over down here. Come on, let's not push our luck.
What happened?
Well, get in. I'll tell you. Not too far now. Stay on this trail. We'll follow the river, then cut left inland. Go on. Why are we so far behind? So, yes. The Indians in these parts got sold a very raw deal. This is the heartlands we're going to. Good farming and grazing country. They lost it all. Stolen clean away from them it was, every blade of grass. Killed or herded up to the reservations in the middle of nowhere.
And how's that different from anywhere else?
Well, maybe it's not. I just heard some of the army out here was particularly, unpleasant about it.
Unpleasant? How do you rob and kill people pleasantly? We don't, in spite of Dutch's talk.
I fear I was perhaps trying to simplify something more complicated for the benefit of our block-headed driver here.
Hey, don't blame it on me. Never forget, this here's a con man, Charles, born and bred. Just 'cause it sounds fancy don't mean he knows a damn thing about what he's talking about. Yeah. So, what happened to your tribe?
I don't even know if I have one. At least, not that I can remember. My father was a colored man. He told me he lived with our people for a while. A number of free men did, but when we were forced to move from our lands, the three of us fled. I was too young to really remember much. My whole life I've been on the run. A couple years later, some soldiers captured my mother. Took her somewhere. We never saw her again. We drifted around. He was a very sad man, and the drink had a mean hold on him. Around 13. I just took off on my own.
That was about the age we found young Arthur here. Maybe a little older. A wilder delinquent you never did see. But he learned fast.
Not as fast as Marston, apparently.
Wait, I don't understand. What's the problem between you two?
Arthur?
It's a long story. Yeah. We still heading the right way?
That depends. Are we still heading west in search of fortune and repose in virgin forests as we planned? No. Are we heading in the correct direction on our desperate escape from the law eastwards down the mountains? Yes, I believe so.
You know this area?
A little. I've been through a couple of times. There's a livestock town not too far from here called Valentine. Cowboys, outlaws, working girls, our kind of place.
The Driscolls?
Probably them too.
Pinkertons?
Let's hope not.
And this place we're going. Wait, what's it called again?
Horseshoe Overlook.
It's a good place to lie low?
It'll do for now. And how low do you think Dutch is really going to lie? It's just, you know, maybe it's me who's changed, not him, but we kept telling him that ferry job didn't feel right. You and me had a real lead in Blackwater that could have worked out.
Maybe.
It just isn't like Dutch to lose his head like that.
Things go wrong sometimes. People die. It's the way it is. Always has been. Me, you, Dutch. We've all been in this line of work a long time. And we're still here, so... I figure we must have got it right a hell of a lot more than we got it wrong.
J'aime bien les deux, aussi et Charles, je crois que c'est les deux.
What are you working on there, anyway?
C'est mes deux personnages préférés pour l'instant.
Yarrow and ginseng. Good for the health. Better than that stuff you buy in the store. Yeah, you can have all this. I'm at the point where I can do it with my eyes closed.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
En fait, il y a tout un système d'équipement pour avoir plus ou moins chaud, plus ou moins froid. Des plantes, les animaux à chasser, ouais, les poissons. On en a des choses, dis donc. J'aime vraiment bien les deux personnages ici.
Head in there and follow the track for a bit.
Thanks.
Hey, slow up. I'll jump on. Okay, let's go.
Any trouble getting in here, Javier?
Nope. It went well. This is a good spot.
Excellent. I think this'll work for us, Arthur. For now, anyway. Here we are, gentlemen. Home sweet home.
You weren't wrong, Hosea. This place is perfect.
I hope so.
Gentlemen, we have survived.
For now.
Now, it is time to prosper.
Arthur and I were about to prosper in Blackwater. We were onto something big. Then Micah got you all excited about that ferry, and here we are.
We have all made mistakes over the years, Hosea. Every last one of us. But I kept us together. Kept us alive. Kept the nooses off our neck.
I guess I'm just worried. I ain't got that long, Dutch. I want folks safe before I go.
Me too.
And now we are stuck, east of the Grizzlies and out of money, and a long way from our dream of virgin land in the west.
I know, my brother, but we are safe. We make a bit of money here, then we move again, head out around them, be west of Uncle Sam, in a few months, buy some land.
I hope so.
Would you just look around you? This world has its consolations.
Gentlemen, I'm going to head into the local town and, see if I can strike up a little business.
Of course, Herr Strauss. I prefer robbing banks to usury. Seems more dignified somehow. Now, everyone, put your tools down for a moment. Come on, gather round. Quickly now. I know that things have been tough, but we are safe now, and we are far too poor. So it is time for everyone to get to work.
Get to work, but stay out of trouble. Remember, we are itinerant workers.
Laid off when they shut down our factory to the north. Now get out there and see what you can find. Uncle, Reverend Swanson, no more passengers. It is time for everyone to earn their keep.
There is a town a little way down the track named Valentine. Livestock town, all mud and morons, if I remember right. That seems a decent place to start.
And, we need food. Real food. That means every day. One of you.
And remember, whatever it is that you find, the camp gets its slice. Now be sensible out there.
Now the girls have your tent ready, Mr. Morgan. Come with me. You two will be ready shortly. We put you over here.
I'm sure everything will be fine, Miss Grimshaw.
It should be. Most of your stuff from Blackwater got saved.
Everything apart from my money.
Oh, don't remind me.
Well, we can always make more money.
We're gonna have to. Miss Jackson, I've seen shit with more common sense than you. Do it properly.
Ok, donc c'est la table qui permet de changer les vêtements et tout. Chapitre 2. Ok, on a fini le chapitre 1. Je sais pas combien de chapitres.
Got off the mountain and rode east into some pretty enough country called the Heartlands. Ain't been this far east in many a year. Dutch seems a little better. His eyes are sparkling once more, and I can see he's thinking a little clearer. I think we all feel a little happier, despite of Blackwater and that whole mess.
Arthur?
Jose?
Quite a day.
Let's hope so.
There's a bunch of the boys already in Valentine. Bill, Charles, and Javier. And Swanson found something down at the train station by the lake, apparently. And Strauss came back with that creepy little smile on his face. I'm sure there's a whole list of unfortunates he's forced money upon.
Thank you. And you?
I'm gonna read a book.
Le camp de handball est indiqué par X sur la carte. Ok. Bien entendu. On va faire une totale. C'est bien mieux. Apporter des animaux à personne pour nourrir le camp. Ça leur vient pour acquérir leur peau. Ok. Regarde s'il y a d'autres messages qui s'affichent.
Glad to be off that mountain, Mr. Pearson?
Yes, indeed. Lots to do now.
Donc là on a un revolver. Ok. Ok. Les munitions de provisions et de la forêt se trouvent dans le camp. Ok. Ah, température basse, eau forte chaleur. Ok. Ok, un peu de chagrin. Ok.
Smells delightful, Mr. Pearson.
Ok. Bon, on va pas trop. Pas de jambière, bretelles, pantalon. On va garder aussi. Ok. F, examiner. L'île Morgan. Avec le père. Le chien. Là, il y a Dutch et deux autres gars. La photo, c'est quoi? Béatrice. Avec la mère. Ok.
Morning, Arthur.
Non.
What do you think of this place, Susan?
Et là, on peut dormir si on le souhaite. Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? Je sais pas. Hmm. Ah oui, d'accord. T'as toutes les... Ah. Qu'est-ce qu'on a ici? 3 hommes recherchés. Euh, Ok. Ok. Donc ça. Ok. Alors, voyons voir un peu le reste. Abigail.
Hard to know what to say.
She's strong. She'll be all right.
Thank you for... well, you know. Good morning, Arthur.
T'as une sale gueule. Hein. Océan.
Got you there, tough guy.
Just name the place, my friend. Just name the place.
Je l'aime vraiment pas, lui. Il va contribuer. J'ai 5 $.
That is what I like to see.
Molly, je sais pas qui c'est. Alors, on disparaît un peu tout le camp.
Arthur, don't forget, I'm more than happy to craft you some.
Oh.
If you bring me the right materials.
On peut améliorer tout. Ok, sacoche. Déposer. Fabriquer 3. Oh oui, d'accord, ok. Il y a des choses à faire. Un cadavre de mouflon mâle en parfait état, une peau d'alligator. Oh. Ok. Est-ce que ça fait? Ah ouais. Ok. Et feu de camp des sentinelles, ok.
Thank you, Mr.
Est-ce
Pearson.
que je peux donner des trucs?
This stew is decidedly lacking
La
on
peine, de la
decent meat,
graisse,
Mr.
de la
Morgan.
viande.
Don't you overcook this now, Pearson.
Good job, Mr. Morgan.
Ça, c'est le médecin. Qu'est-ce qu'il fait, le médecin? Encore une photo à examiner, ouais. Ok. On peut pas interagir avec le truc de soins? Pas encore. Examiner cette photo, mais... Je vois pas ce qui est écrit. Oh, il y a un truc pour soigner quelque chose ici.
Hi there.
Peut-être que c'est pas prêt. C'est pour ça que c'est pas prêt. C'est juste pas prêt, je pense. Ah.
You're Arthur, right?
My name ain't no concern of yours.
I'm hungry.
I don't give a damn.
Look, you seem like a decent feller behind it all.
Then you ain't a good judge of character.
Yeah, well, we'll leave it there then.
Ah, on va prendre un café.
How is that food coming along, Mr. Pearson?
It'll be ready
Can I lick
when
your
it's
plate
ready.
when you're done?
C'est de me familiariser un peu avec tout ça, hein. Ça prend un peu de temps.
Just gotta force it down.
Lui, c'est le nouveau. Là, attends, il n'y a pas un petit Jack Jack? Je vais voir ici.
One of these days, we'll actually get the men to help with the laundry. I wouldn't hold your breath.
Morning.
How you doing, Karen?
All right, I guess. Grimshaw's driving me crazy.
Well, so no change there.
On peut pas trouver le petit Jack? J'aurais bien aimé trouver le Jack. Molly. Non, je crois que j'ai fait le tour. Hein. Ouais, je crois que j'ai fait le tour. Ok. On va aller se balader un peu. On peut étudier. Est-ce que ça sert à quelque chose de l'étudier une deuxième fois? Ok.
Hey.
You okay, Abigail?
Settling in.
Good.
Smells delightful, Mr. Pearson.
Un petit Jack. On a nourri. Hein. Ah, c'est avec l'avoine. Ok.
Back at it, boy.
Alors, on va rester fuir aussi. Ok. Alors, on a quoi? On a. C'est qui ça? Ah, l'oncle. Oh, ok. On a quoi? Revenant sans soin. Ah là, on a Valentine. Rabué, c'est quoi là? Ok. Bureau de poste et diligence. On était par là, non? On était là. Bon, on va remonter vers Javier Escola, je pense. On va monter vers Javier Escola. Je vais faire ça, je vais faire aussi. Ouais, je peux faire ça directement. Ah ouais, je peux faire ça, nice. Ça c'est cool. Ça c'est cool, c'est cool.
Easy there. Yep.
Comment ça, au cheval à graisse, on est là? Ouais, oui, bien sûr.
I don't think you should just be wandering around here, friend. Not a thing happens round here without an O'Driscoll saying so. Understand me? Consider this a warning.
Go on! Get lost!
There's no more warnings coming. Got it?
Alors j'ai un peu provoqué. C'est vrai. Mais ils ont parlé de Ogdrisholm. Et quand ils ont parlé de ça, bah, je me suis dit, ok, c'est le moment de les agresser un petit peu. Vous ne pouvez pas ranger tous les objets placés, oui. Chut, tout va bien, tout va bien.
Easy boy.
Non, monte.
It's all right, boy. Yeah. Hello. Hey, move it! Goddamn. Easy. Whoa. There we go.
Les plantes et les herbes que vous ramassez sont indiquées en surbrillance. Un DPC juste. Est-ce que vous pouvez vous séparer, vous poser ensuite. Ok. Et on peut le charger ici. Ok.
Okay, boy.
Attends, je vais juste faire un autre truc. Est-ce que ça... Vous pouvez pas récupérer toutes les parties. Non, ça se ramasse pas ces plantes. Vu que c'est les seules plantes qui sont un peu... Non. Hmm. Donc j'ai plus de place. On va aller voir le boucher et...
Okay there.
Antilope. Ah, donc ça on peut ramasser. Exactement. Carotte. Il y a vraiment beaucoup de choses. Pas grand chose d'écrit. Mhm. C'est quoi ça? C'est un truc inconnu, ok. À côté du saloon.
How you doing, friend? Do we have a problem here?
What's in your head, friend?
Les zones indiquent des missions facultatives à effectuer dans les inconnus par les inconnus dans la zone indiquée pour commencer la série de missions. Ok, ok.
Waltzing through here like you own the place. But the O'Driscolls got designs on it. You got a problem? Law never seemed to find the bodies in this town. Damnedest thing.
Just minding my own business.
You looking to prove something? We'll be sure to keep a bullet warm for you.
Ok, c'est un autre.
Look out for the accents.
Sir?
Qui il faut parler? J'ai rencontré une fille se signaler par...
Try to remember what really happened at Sylvia's Saloon back in '76.
Just a lot of bunk, Plato. It's just a lot of bunk.
It's not bunk, Mr. Calloway, sir. It's history.
Ancient history, done and dusted. The dead got off lucky, the living gotta keep suffering. Same as ours.
Who's your friend there?
Put that in your fucking book, Plato.
This is Jim Boy Calloway. The Jim Boy Calloway.
Who?
The gunslinger. Fastest left-handed draw that ever drew breath. He once killed 14 men in a fight at Lucy Hollow.
What are you waiting for?
How do you mean?
Well, I reckon right now, kill him yourself.
I don't want to kill him. I want to deify him. He's a god. I'm trying to write his biography.
And how's that going?
I think I prefer the duel. Either I'd kill him and be able to be Baltimore's finest ever gunslinger, or he'd kill me and I could be set free from ever having to speak to him again.
Well, you're starting to understand something very important.
What's that?
The joys of gunslinging. It's win-win, freedom or glory.
That's brilliant. I'm gonna write that down, if I may.
Be my guest.
What's your name?
I don't have a name.
But you are a gunslinger.
Not really. I mean, folks who need shooting, I try and shoot in the back. All that other stuff, it's, well, bunk.
But you fought duels.
Once upon a time, I may have.
And you ain't interested in fame.
I don't think so.
Strange. But you like fortune.
I need money, sure.
Okay, then forgive me, mister, if I seem a little desperate. I am a little desperate. This book, I've got to make a thing of it, and, well, there's a whole list of gunfighters. Legends, every last one. Emmett Granger. Flaco Hernandez. Billy Midnight. Black Bell.
Never heard of them.
Maybe you can go and speak to them. Ask them about Calloway. Any of them get uppity, shoot them. I can't believe I just said that, but...
You want me to go and find some sad, deluded fools like him, ask if he was the greatest, and then if they get uppity, shoot him?
Does sound a lot worse than it did in my head.
How much you paying?
Well, a lot. Half the proceeds of the book, if you help me get it written.
I'll see what I can do.
Ha! Oh, get photos.
Okay.
And there are notes on the back of those portraits that should lead you to him.
I'll see what I can find out.
I imagine we'll be stuck here upon your return. Here or some other flop house.
C'est incroyable cette idée qu'ils ont fait là. Provision. Ok, d'accord. Ah oui, je comprends pourquoi il faut de la place. Matériaux. C'est une église. Ok. Ah, les journaux, on les retrouve. Portrait de décoration, oui.
Interested in a good read?
I'll have one.
Howdy. Thanks. Have a great day. Get your new hair.
Qu'est-ce qu'on nous dit? Je préfère pouvoir lire comme avant. Ah, le train. Il faisait route nord.
I was feeling bad for my landlady.
Ah, ils étaient trop ébranlés, parfait, donc ils ont bien... Il y a que... Ah non, c'est Arctic, ok. Bonded Dutch. Ok.
Hey. Hope you ain't
La
getting
gestion des
paint for all that
plantations
dust in your
retardée.
Partner, you're one to talk. Howdy, partner.
Tallweed, Armadillo, Tumbleweed, c'est des noms que ça qu'on connaissait là, dans le 1.
How are you?
Do I look happy?
That's the way of it. No use
Ils prennent des
complaining.
Drissol. Ils ont fait des braquages aussi. La cessation du commerce entre le Mexique et les États-Unis. Ah, une ours. Ok.
Wow, new marksman in town. Welcome.
Feuilleté. Qu'est-ce que
Let's
t'as?
have a look.
La déterre. Il y a de la- il y a- il y a- il y a- C'est inquiétant ça.
If it weren't for all the bounties running around New Hanover, I'd be out of business.
Option fusil automatique. Fusil. Fusil aréo, fusil, plein de fusils bizarres. On retrouve les pistolets du 1.
Jacob Worth is a friend of mine. I admire him, but he's
Okay.
just about the worst poker player in all of Valentine. Well, all right. This'll be here when you need it.
Thank you. Really.
Le docteur, qu'est-ce qu'il a?
Howdy, partner. First
T'as un
time?
peu défoncé ta porte.
I only keep select items on the shelves. Gum and
Qu'est-ce que je
candies
peux te
behind
vendre?
the shelf, and the medicine and tonics are on the table against the wall. See the catalog if you can't find what you're looking for. Well, let's see what you got.
Pas grand chose. Et qu'est-ce que t'as dans ton
Let's
catalogue?
have a look in here.
Juste des trucs pour machin.
Thank you for your help.
En plus, à faire certaines boutiques mènent des actions. Ah. Ok. Je suis...
I'm sorry I asked. Another round. Hey, watch yourself.
On a la banque ici.
Look out.
Là-bas, on a un hôtel. On a le magasin central.
Hey there, sir. Haven't seen you in here before. There's a little nook there if you need something for your camp.
Est-ce que
Looks like you travel a lot,
tu as des
so
provisions
worth
de
having a
chasse
look
et
and see.
pêche?
Ain't no other outfit beats their prices.
Les odeurs humaines, à part. Oh. Oh. Accessoires. Des milliards de bottes. Oh la vache. Ah ouais, d'accord.
Fella came in here, started taste testing the liquor. Unbelievable.
Oh la vache, tout ce qu'il y a. Ok. Ok. Est-ce que je peux te vendre?
Well, it's always here if you want to take another look. Righty. Let's see what you're selling.
Non, je peux pas vendre ça. Ok. Bon, pour l'instant, on va rien vendre. Tant qu'on sait pas, on va rien vendre. Bon, je vois qu'on a 1h30, on va voir l'hôtel. Je voulais voir le boucher. Attendez.
Please, prove we ain't a land of savages. Prove we're here for each other.
Donation for the...
That's it. Now I've seen everything.
Hello, sir.
You get a lot of money doing this?
Not much, but it's the trying that counts.
If you say so.
Well, I do. Who do you help?
I'll help you learn to keep your mouth closed.
Sorry, sir. It is in giving that we receive the true gifts of life that are eternal.
Nouvelle organisation.
So give generously, for that is what this country needs, to help each other.
Ouais. L'orphelinat, c'est bien ça. Quelle que soit leur race et leur couleur, mettre fin à condition. Ok. Et...
Please be generous. Be generous. Help people.
Bah, j'aurais bien été généreux pour donner $1, mais je peux pas. Dommage pour toi.
I never forget a face. This is your first time here, right?
Venaison, Sherp. Ok, non, il n'y a pas de... On va attendre le cheval, on va ramasser la peau pour voir si on peut pas lui vendre la peau. Allez, viens là, petit cheval.
Thanks, partner.
Non, je peux pas avoir la peau. Ça. J'ai pas envie de la jeter.
Oh, hello again. Never too soon, huh?
Et là, je peux te vendre ma peau? Ah, là, je peux te vendre ma peau.
Sure, I'm buying.
Ok. Mais juste pour voir qu'est-ce que tu achètes? Des bœufs, venaison, ok.
Thanks.
Je vais te guider. Et je vais t'attacher ici. Oh putain, c'était long. Et du coup, on va juste voir l'hôtel. Oula. Prendre un bain. Louer une chambre. Juste louer une chambre. J'ai loué une chambre. Ouais.
Well, I do beg your pardon.
Ah, je vais dire, c'est bien bugué. Casier d'armes. C'est pas un problème. Et les vêtements s'en fout aussi. Ok. Oula. Ben, on va se faire jusqu'à 11h et on se retrouvera du coup pour le prochain épisode. À la prochaine.